Hello Namaskar everyone and welcome to Housing. My name is Shrutika and today in this video we'll be doing a teaser of Sentosa Edge, which is located near Kate Vasti, Punavde, Pune and developed by Sentosa developers. And in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before talking about the details, let me tell you first what is Housing. Housing is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you are just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housing is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housing. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में. With the help of 3D model, Sentosa Edge will be constructed on 2.5 acres of land parcel consisting of 2 towers. Tower will be having basement plus ground plus podium plus 23 floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. And now let's discuss about the surrounding and the connectivity of the project. As you can see, I am here at the actual location of the project. मेरे राइट हैंड साइड में आप देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और उसी के बैक साइड में मिल जाएगा इनका लैंड पार्सल. कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट, प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर काटे वस्ती, पुनावडे, पुणे. और ये जो रोड जाते हुए आप देख रहे हैं डायरेक्टली आपको कनेक्ट करता है मुंबई बैंगलोर हाईवे से. कमिंग टू द कनेक्टिविटी पार्ट, तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है पुनावडे मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल within 1.9 kilometer, Zudio also within 1 kilometer, Mumbai Bangalore highway within 1 kilometer. And now coming to the amenities part, with the help of 3D model, project has 50 plus luxurious amenities like kids play area, senior sit out area, swimming pool, mini theatre, skywalk bridge, co-working spaces, sunset deck, party deck and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Sentosa Edge has 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences, in which 2 BHK starting from 741 to 826 square feet and 3 BHK starting from 942 to 1048 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Token windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the token process also. So everyone, this was the teaser of Sentosa Edge, which is located near Kate Vasti, Punavde, Pune and developed by Sentosa developers. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में आपके प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं, so do let us know in the comment section. And for more such videos, click on the given below link and do like, share and subscribe to Housing on www.housing.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housing.